Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Safla Khan, and today is World's Democratic International Day, 15th September. And we need to realize that the biggest democracy in the world, in India, who is supposed to be the world biggest democracy, is not doing according to the democratic policies kind of job into the zone of Kashmir. So whole it's about 42 days. The curfew is not finished from the valley of Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, from Ladakh region. So we need to every human person who has in his heart is humanity in his heart have to condemn this sorrowous moment. And today is as well as the World's Engineering Day. As a scientist of Pakistan, I can say that you can see my work. I am not I not hate India, but I'm with India. But the way they are, the people, the government and the army of India is hurting humanity rights in Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh region. That was bit sorrow for not only for me but every person on this planet who can feel humanity violation is not the face of democracy. So I can only say that we have to be aware of this pain. And as India is ruling all over the world by its technology, by its engineering. So my question to all the engineers of India, all the space and ISPR, every kind of the space which reaches to the that even reaches the moon, but near to moon, and the communication was finished around 2.5 meters away from the moon. And so I can only say to all the Indians, all the district, be awake, be respect to this engineers day. Engineering is an inspiration. I'm inspiration for you all. As a Pakistani, as a Muslim, who supported everywhere humanity was done. I innovated a lot of things. Also, I write a lot of positive motivational, speak a lot of things related to social issue, debate with everyone, and show positive gesture to every Indian. And I work to help you guys, and I am happy that from India I got a lot of support for being doing positive work. They appreciate my work. So I thank to everyone in India as well, and globally as well. But I just want to say that be positive people, do positive thing, and whatever your problem is. Another problem was from Amit Shah, that one language, one nation was come in India, which I also always say that this is not a right way, that you are copying Pakistanis, that we have one Urdu, and in Pakistan there are one nation, one Urdu and one language, but we have official language is English. I just want to say, and there are all other traditional languages which we also speak, cultural language. But I just want to say, respect every language. One nation, one India is not right, because India is a big country, and it have so many states, and every state have its own culture, and all culture very on. If you go towards south of India and other Bengal and other side of India, the people are there cannot speak Hindi, but can speak their own all language, but can speak English well. So English is a better, because after the British rule in India, the English has turned out to be the I think one subcontinent, one language, which is English, which can be understood by everyone. who cannot speak English but can understand the English. Whether you are illiterate or illiterate, you can understand English. So I can say that English is a great language, and we have to respect it. And for India, for the Narendra Modi, whatever they want to do according to their nation, it depend upon them. But my message is that English is a better choice, because nation is a nation, because whole subcontinent is under control of British India for so many years, about 100 years. So due to and to make the country unite, they use English language, which is now common. And internationally, you got a lot of support in jobs, in education, in social services. English is a better languages, and to show your potential, and be look confident to your boss. And also in interviews, it will help you English. The people prefer English language, and supposed to expose them that they are more intelligent. But I not think that language is tell you how intelligent you are. It is upon the ability and your concentration, your focus. It tells you how you are intelligent, or and how cunning you are in your work and this is my message. And democracy need to be very strong, and give equality. No religion, no Hinduism or Islamism will be first. We need to be understanding humanity is first. Democracy. So